That's the
Salsa,
one.
which is the traditional dance form of Spain. Over to you, Vineet.
Thank you, Radha, for such a good introduction. I'm overwhelmed. I was watching a movie recently by the name of Step Up 3D. It was one movie that inspired me in a lot of ways that a very few people would like to be inspired by. And the opening scene is what defines the theme for today. There's a video that's played, and the question is, why do you dance? And these are the answers that I received that kind of inspired me to open up and figure out how important a word dance is to a lot of people. They say dance is like breathing, it's like walking to me. Dance, I dance because I become someone else. I dance because I'm free. I dance because it saved my life. And we all have a heartbeat. And that heartbeat is what makes our life dance every day to our own tunes. And to end it up, he says that we all are BFAB, B hyphen FAB, which which the full form of that is we're all born from a boombox. A boombox is basically a player that gives you music where you're allowed to dance and express your feelings. So thank you so much, Radha, for getting us energetic and excited this morning. Apart from me, that's me every morning before breakfast, but the others who are a little too tired have got energized and excited and happy as they always were. So we've seen some amazing speeches, we've seen some amazing table topics. It's time for some opinions and some feedback, which binds this entire meeting together. It's basically the leitmotif of this meeting. So, some seasoned Toastmasters are going to give some evaluations to our speakers to put their speeches to a better track. Moving to our first evaluator for today, Abhiraj Gaur, who will be evaluating Anish Bhattacharya's speech. When I asked Abhiraj what's his favorite dance form, he very humorously said, I only dance to my wife's tune. Before we bring Abhiraj on stage, I would like to invite Advik to give us the timing guidelines for our evaluators. Over to you, Advik.
Thank you, Vineet. So for the evaluation section, each evaluator has 2 to 3 minutes. I will be showing the green background at 2 minutes, the yellow background at 2 minutes 30 seconds, and the red background at 3 minutes. There is a 30-second grace period on either side of the time limit, and I'll present my report when called upon by the general evaluator. Thank you, and over to you.
Also adding to that, just in case if we lose Advik anytime due to internet connections, please pay attention to the chat box. It's a very important message for all evaluators. Please pay attention to the chat box because he will be placing the name of the color card that will be coming up as per the time.
Thank
Request
you.
everyone to keep themselves on mute. Perfect. Thank you. Moving on, our first evaluator for the day is Abhiraj Gaur. Zoom Master, can we please spotlight Abhiraj?
Okay. Our next evaluator is Mumtaz, and she will be evaluating Sahil's speech. When I asked Mumtaz what's her favorite dance, she told me that her favorite dance style is basically every Indian's favorite dance style. Sadly, this year it could not be done because of the global pandemic that we're facing. But next September, when he welcomes us, we will dance to the tunes of Ganpati Bappa. So with a huge round of applause, please welcome Mumtaz to evaluate Sahil's speech. Mumtaz, over to you. Such a scrupulous evaluation. I'm sure we'll also get some important points to take forward. Moving on, our next evaluator is Mr. Aaron Almeida, who will be evaluating Brunel's speech. Zoom Master, can we please spotlight Aaron? When I asked him the same question, when I looked at... Thank you so much, Aaron, for such a detailed and insightful evaluation. I belong to the 10% that you didn't mention. When I asked my boss, do you have any work? He'll be like, yes, this is the deadline. I want it by half an hour. I'm like, should not have asked, should I? Moving on to our final evaluator, the Will Smith of Mumbai Toastmasters, Mr. Hunk Dunk, Jeevan Fernandez, who will be evaluating Jyots 10 seconds and share the voting link with us while I call the timer, Advik, to display the timing report for us.
Am I visible and audible?
Yes, you're visible, Advik, you're visible.
Perfect. Just like the evaluators have a CRC method, my camera is playing working, not working, working beneath.
Thank you. So that is perfect. So please note, Dimple, except for Mumtaz, all the other evaluators have qualified and voting begins now. So while the voting process is on, I would like to call the R counter for today, Dimple Mehta. Thank you so much for stepping in at the last moment, as we always have people ready and ready to back us up. So Zoom Master, can we please spotlight Dimple Mehta? Thank you, Dimple, for such a detailed evaluation that you always give. Moving on to the grammarian of the day, Priyanka. Can you please unmute yourself? Detailed report. So now it's time for the general evaluators report. The meeting started on time, which is never an issue here at Mumbai Toastmasters. We make sure that we're always on time and punctual. Zoom Master, I have never ever had the opportunity to correct you in your role because you've never given me one. So kudos to you for maintaining a flawless streak of errorless Zoom Master reports that you always give us. Sergeant Adam Sandhya, you found a new way to introduce the main rule of not speaking about sex, religion, and politics in the form of a mnemonic. So kudos to you for doing such a beautiful job on that. Our presiding officer, apart from the one person who has energy apart from me, is this woman. She makes sure she finds an alternate way to make her voice heard. Her audio was not working. She found a clever little way to call Dimple and use her speaker to make sure that she was heard today. And it was a master stroke from your end. So very clever, very innovative, brilliant thought. Keep doing it. And your presiding officer's address was always and as always will be informative. So keep inspiring us with more such presidential addresses. Rather the T-Mod. I mean, there is nothing you can't not fault about dance. And you've brought us a theme that is absolutely faultless. It's very difficult. So thank you for giving us such a theme that was very, very unique and different. It is basically the leitmotif of today's meeting, and it was really, really amazing. Timers, your beats were really kick-ass. You all made it a point to show your screens on time. And a side note to Advik for having the presence of mind to type down in capitals the cards that he was showing, although he had a weak network. So man, like touchwood and kudos to you and brilliant job. Grammarian, a word of the day was really innovative. It was really tricky one to use, and to correct you in your report, it was used thrice, twice by myself and once by Aaron in his report. So you can just make a note next time so that we know who's exactly used the word, because the word of the day is being put and it's being used, it's deserving of credit, irrespective of it being used once, twice, or thrice. Table topic master Shashank, when I called him up and I asked him, will you take the role of the table topic? I was like, I'm too scared. I don't know what I'm going to do. Bro, you did a really good job. Your topics were amazing. You had a different take to other people's opinions. You supported them. You gave your own 2 cents of each and every topic. So it is really, really a nice job. Evaluators, I mean, you had no faults that I could correct or I could suggest. So kudos to all the 4 evaluators for doing such a good job. So overall, we had a really nice meeting, but every dance routine is not perfect, because sometimes we miss the beats and we falter on stage. A falter is what brings a meeting together and puts in a better meeting. A little bit of a backstory, we've been having a lot of backouts in the last 2 to 3 weeks by people, and it's not coming in advance. It's coming 1 day, 2 days before the meeting is scheduled. And I'm going to be very blunt and honest. It's not cool. It's not cool because our VP education and team takes a lot of effort. It is not easy for us to go behind people and ask or request them to take roles in the last minute and set up a meeting, set up the schedule, set the agenda, make sure that everyone knows the theme, understands what is going on. Very few people know what's happening behind the scenes, and all we're expecting is for you to repay us the same way we are putting out a good meeting for you guys. It's a humble request on behalf of the entire VP education team and the XCOM. A humble request to all of you guys, when you all are taking up a speech slot, if you all are not prepared, ask for a later date so that you all are prepared. Or if you all are semi-prepared, give it your best shot. Only then will you guys improve. Improvement is the best stepping stone to success, and this is the best way I can put it. So overall, it was a really good meeting. Internet connections need to be checked out a little, in particular to Jyoth, because he had a little bit of difficulty when he spoke. So if you could correct your internet checking, and if you could log in earlier than expected, or the best suggestion that I am doing right now when my Wi-Fi locked out is I always have a hotspot to back it up. That's the best way to make sure that your internet is not an issue. So that's it from my end. Moving on, and I would give my regards and my back to the team or Radha.
Over to you, Timo.
Perfect. So now all the role bearers and all the big three have qualified. So the voting is begun. The voting polls will be on your screen. Yes, so while the results are on and the voting process is in process, I would like to hand it over back to Radha.